Welcome to the Axia Academy. In this video, we'll cover the financial reporting. Financial reporting is the process of preparing and presenting an organization's financial information to provide insights into its financial position, performance, and changes in financial status. It includes formal financial statements such as the balance sheet, income statement, cash flow statement, and statement of changes in equity, along with detailed disclosures. The primary purpose is to provide relevant and reliable information to stakeholders, such as investors, creditors, and regulators for informed decision-making. By adhering to frameworks like IFRS or GRP, financial reporting ensures transparency, comparability, and accountability, supporting effective financial management and fostering trust among stakeholders. Next topic is objectives of financial reporting. Describe the objectives of financial reporting is 4 parts. Parts 1 is providing information for decision making. Financial reporting is essential in helping various stakeholders make informed decisions that impact their financial interests and business strategies. Investors. Financial reports provide key data on a company's profitability, growth prospects, and risks. Investors analyze metrics like revenue trends, expenses, and net profit to evaluate whether to buy, hold, or sell shares. This helps them make decisions based on the company's current performance and future potential. Lenders. For lenders, financial reports offer crucial insights into a company's financial stability and ability to repay debt. They look at factors such as liquidity, solvency, and cash flow to assess credit worthiness and decide whether to approve loans. A solid financial report increases trust and confidence in the company's ability to meet its financial obligations. Management. Financial reports allow management to monitor the company's financial health, identify inefficiencies, and adjust strategies accordingly. By analyzing key financial indicators, management can make informed decisions on resource allocation, operational adjustments, and long-term planning to achieve business goals and ensure profitability. Thank you for watching Part 1 of Financial Reporting and Objectives of Financial Reporting. Part 1 is providing information for decision-making. In this video, we discussed the financial reporting and objectives of financial reporting. Part 1 is providing information for decision-making. Want to continue learning? Check out Part 2 where we discuss objectives of financial reporting. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. The link to in the description below. If you want to download the notes, check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the ACCA Academy for more educational videos.